This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing a capable Android app that can upscale or retouch images, install an AI upscaler, or a full-featured editor. Once done, grant storage and camera permissions so you can load files quickly. You should also back up the original image before edits. Make sure to compare manual filtering versus AI models, because AI often reconstructs detail while manual methods rely on sharpening and smoothing. Now open your image and move to the next step. You will upscale the image next. Choose a 2x or 4x AI upscaler if available, or use bicubic interpolation otherwise. Once upscaled, apply denoising first to reduce block artifacts, then add light sharpening to recover edge definition. Don't overdo it. Make sure to preview changes at 100% so you see true detail. If the app supports layers or masks, retouch only problem areas. Once satisfied, export a draft copy and prepare for final corrections. You finish by doing local touch-ups. Use healing or clone tools to remove residual blocky artifacts and smooth transitions. Then balance color and contrast to make reconstructed detail look natural, and export as PNG or TIFF for minimal compression. If you still see halos or strange textures, step back and reduce sharpening or try a different AI model or denoise strength. Sometimes a milder approach yields better realism. If processing fails, restart the app and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.